Hello friends, welcome to 8th Bricks Android tutorial. Till last tutorial we had planned to create our first project where we will have one button, and whenever we will click on that button some message should get displayed on our screen. So to do that, first we need to create two things. First one is a button which we will click on, and the second one which is will be something where the text will get displayed. So as we know that we create our graphical layout inside a file called activity main.xml. So let's open this file. So there, if you will open, when you will open this file, you will see there are two views of this file. First is graphical layout and second is the text view. So this is the direct XML file text view, and this is the graphical layout for same thing. So if you will go to this file, you will see something, some code which is a little complicated to understand, but let me explain what are all these code. So if you want to edit something, let's start with something. You should delete all the codes which is there. So I have deleted whatever was there inside this file. Now go to the graphical layout. So you will see that nothing is there inside this file now, and an error is also there. So first thing which you need to put in this file is called layout. So you can select any one layout out of available layouts. So for our purpose we will create a linear vertical layout. So if you will put this layout in this section, you will see a layout is created. Now if you will go to the activity main.xml, you will see that linear layout something code is there. Its width is fill parent, its height is fill parent, and its orientation is vertical. Now we want to create two things. One is a button where we will click and something will happen. So if you will go to the from widget, you will see buttons. So again drag and drop one button on this thing, and you will see a button is created. Again if you will go to the XML file, you will see a button it has been created. So depending upon your requirement, you can either edit from here, or if you want you can edit from here also. So if you want to edit text, just click on this, you will see it's written button. You can write click me. Okay, so the text will get changed. If you want it to be filled, the width is exactly equal to the parent width, you can write match parent, it will get changed like this. And if you go to the XML file, you will see here also it's changing. Click me, width is match parent. Okay, next thing which we will need is a object where you can see the text. So there is something called text view which you can also put like this. Again you can set its width equal to match parent. If you want to set height, again you can go to height, other, and here you can write 30 dp. dp represents pixel, so its width will be 30 dp. Now if you want button below this thing, you can move this button below this thing and it will go up. Okay, so we have created two objects inside your XML files, and at the same time we will see that in text view also they have two objects. One is named text view, and the second one is button, which is inside a layout called linear layout. So after creating this thing, you can save this file just by pressing Ctrl S, or you can go to this link and press save. So this is saved now, and our activity main.xml layout is ready to use. So thank you for watching this tutorial. In next tutorial we will write Java code to use this XML file. Thank you.